So what we have is a restoration that we've been working on. If you're ever doing restoration of wood, sometimes when the finish fails over time, stains get deeply embedded into the wood, and I could sand and sand and sand, and this is not going to go away. It just deeply embeds into that. One of the things that we can do with these dark stains, hopefully, is we could wood bleach, and wood bleach is oxalic acid, which you could buy specifically as that, but it's more readily available as Barkeeper's Friend. You can get it as the powder and mix it up as a paste and rub it in, or you can get it here in the pre-mixed, which is just a little bit easier to use. So what we're going to do is just pour some around in some of the different spots. Just going to kind of work it in a little bit. We're just going to let that set for a bit and see what happens. So, like all miracle cures you find on the internet, some of them aren't always as true or as complete as others. So we hit the top of the high chair tray with the Barkeeper's Friend, the oxalic acid, to bleach out those really nasty spots. And then we did a toning and clearing, and it looked great until we moved it into just the right light. And then we saw all of these little leopard spots. So we had to sand it back down, and we realized that the acid was still acting and we needed to neutralize it. We added some vinegar, and the vinegar neutralized the acid. We sanded it again, and then we cleared it, and now you can see there's a couple of like embedded spots, but you can see that it is leaps and bounds better than it was before. It looks much nicer, and you can actually see some of the chatoyance. You move it around from a little bit of curl in the wood there. So that all got restored back to a really pretty nice look and got rid of a lot of that black nasty stuff. But it took a little bit more than just that simple hack that you get from social media sometimes.